everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So I am on YouTube after a very long time. How I missed being on YouTube. But yes, I'm finally over here. So we all are stuck at home due to the corona pandemic. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, practicing social distancing and everything. So we've got all the time in the world. I've got all the time in the world to film videos. You guys have got all the time in the world to watch my videos. So I thought that this is a perfect timing to start filming again. Also, tomorrow is Gudi Padwa, so I thought why not do a traditional look for the festival for Gudi Padwa. So I've come up with this look. So in today's video, I'm going to do like a get ready with me for Gudi Padwa kind of a look, and I'm going to share with you all makeup and hairstyle for Gudi Padwa. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. I'm going to start with a clean face, and first I'm going to apply this Pond's Super Light Gel. So the temperature is getting really high. So this Super Light Gel hydrates my skin without leaving it oily or greasy. I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck and spread it evenly. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lips using a lip balm. This one is from VLCC. And then, as usual, I'm going to begin with my eye makeup. So first, I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it on my eyelids to prime them for the eyeshadows. And then I'm going to apply this compact from Wet n Wild to set the concealer. For the eyeshadows, I am using the Nudes palette from Maybelline. I'm going to pick up this golden shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids first. Then I'm going to take Fortune Favors the Brave palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take the shade Winning on a fluffy blending brush and use that in my crease as a transition shade. I'm also going to drag it a little bit on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm going to pick up this shade which is called Brave, and I'm going to apply that in the outer V of my eye to create some depth. Once again, I'm going to pick up that golden shade and I am going to apply it on the lid because it's lost its intensity. And then I will just do a final blending of all the shadows together. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the my Insta liner. I'm going to do like a thick wing, retro kind of a wing. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye as well. Also, eyelids are done, and now I'm going to move to the face. First, I'm going to just clean the fallout with a wet wipe, and then I am going to start with my face makeup, for which I'm going to first use a primer. This is one is from Lakme Absolute, the Blur Perfect primer. I'm going to take a little bit on my fingers, then I'm just going to spread it on my face and whatever is remaining on the neck. For foundation, I'm using the stick foundation from Nykaa. This is in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to apply it all over my face and then spread it evenly with a brush. Going in with that same Fit Me concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the bridge and tip of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, cupid's bow and chin. I'm going to use both my fingers and brush to blend the concealer. Once the concealer is blended, I'm going to set my face with a compact. I'm using the same one from Wet n Wild, which I had used earlier. Now to complete my eye makeup, I am going to line my waterline using this kajal pencil from Nykaa. This is Rock the Line. and then with the help of a pencil brush I'm going to apply Winning and Brave on my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. So this one is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Time to contour and highlight using Savannah Colors Bronze Professionals. I'm going to contour and then highlight with the same product. Next, using this brown shade from Maybelline the Nudes palette, I am going to darken my eyebrows a little bit. And then using the Color Show blush from Maybelline, I am going to apply that on my face. Last but not the least, on my lips, I'm going to apply this Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Lip Color in the shade 14. I guess this is Rose Love. To apply it on my lips. And that's it. The makeup is done. Now moving to hairstyle. What I'm going to do is I am going to pull my hair back in a bun, and then using my hands I am going to pull all my baby hair in the front. So I've got a lot of baby hair all over my head, so I'm just going to pull everything to the front, and then I am going to take this mini straightener and I'm going to start straightening all the pieces of baby hair. So this is going to give a clean look to my hairstyle, that's why I'm doing this. Once I'm done straightening all the pieces of my baby hair, I'm going to pull my hair back into a neat clean ponytail. I'm going to use a tiny comb or a rat tail comb because it's got fine tooth. I'm going to just comb my hair and put my hair back into a ponytail. I'm not keeping this ponytail too high or too low. Then I'm going to use this hair donut. I'm going to put the ponytail through the donut and spread all my hair over the donut and then secure them with a rubber band. Next, I'm going to take the remaining pieces of my hair. I'm going to twist them around the hair donut. While doing that, I am going to add U-pins to secure the hair. Next, I'm going to pull the little pieces of baby hair to the front just to frame my face, and I'm going to secure them with bobby pins so that they stay put. And then to accessorize, I'm going to add this little flower, and that's it. There you have it, makeup and hairstyle done. So here is the complete look. For outfit, I chose this patini sari which I borrowed from my mom's closet, and I added some traditional jewelry to complete the festive look. So that was the look, you guys. I know that we've got nowhere to go, but yeah, you can celebrate the festival at home and bring in some good vibes, some positive energy, and everything. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.